Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're just gonna be going to the beach in Paris. So everybody's like getting ready and stuff, so I'm just gonna wait them. Guys, but it's time to get out of the bath. Oh, Emma, yeah, I met you. Okay, you already have your swimsuit, so okay, so I'm just gonna brush my teeth, okay? Okay. There, like, and also I'll just put on some sunscreen. Sunscreen never works. Here, and come here now, and just put some on yours, and I just put some on mine too, and wait for me. Are they sleeping? Get up right now, you two. I'm up. Yeah, I'm up too. What do you mean? We were both up the whole time. No, you weren't. We're gonna be late. But we don't even have a reservation. Like, we can go to the beach whenever we want. Yeah. Don't argue with me. I am your mother. Now we have to go to the beach right now. Mom, yes, we, you what? Just tell me now. We forgot to wear sunscreen. That's why I brought an extra bottle. Thanks, you're the best. I knew you were gonna need it, and some for Taylor, and some for you too, I guess. But you don't even deserve it. And when I said you had your beach outfit on, I meant you weren't gonna have your beach outfit on. There. Just put this there. Oh my gosh! So would you like some ice cream? I don't want some ice cream. But maybe the kids do? Yeah, we definitely do. Yeah. Okay, nice some lemons, I guess. One for you. One for you. And one for you, little girl. Alright, so if one more person calls me that, no. And what? Yeah. And here we do stockings. Alright, so I guess you're gonna do scuba diving. So like, might as well like these on my right. And by the way, there's like a floaty in there somewhere. Oh, why is there? Why is there a rat in it? I will not be touching that smartphone. There we go. Ella, do you go in the floaty? Okay, you can go in the floaty. Wait, go! Let me just stand up. Oh, my wife's gone. I think I just stay out here and relax. Is he okay? No, I'm just chilling. Okay. Oh, take a pink phony. We want a pink phony thing. Okay, well. Just chilling. Where's that? Is that a moment? Yeah. Go back in the water. And then that's what you know. Yeah, look! There's an inflatable slide. You wanna go here? Yes, yes, yes! Yes! Okay, come on. Let's go on. Whee! That was so fun! Roll out of the way! Ah! Come on, let's go on the trampoline. Whee! So fun! Yeah! Okay, you can stand this one. Wait, where's our brother? Yeah, I don't know. Why didn't you go in the pool? Because I don't want to go. Listen, young man, you will go immediately. We came here to the beach to swim, not to talk or just chill, okay? Okay. Now go on the slide or whatever. But the slide's for babies. Then jump in the pool. I don't care what you do. Okay. Hey guys. Where were you? You were gone for like forever. Man, you're long. Alright guys. I hope you like good on there now. Okay. There. Right there. Take a deep end. Do you want to go there? Well, I'm not holding it here. Or I can just go on 40. I guess you're right. Come on, Mila. I'm coming. Look, look at that. After kind of grab. We were like all the way around when we got to it. Sometimes there's beautiful the sounds of nature and whatever this thing is. And it's like a pom-pom. Jaden! Ava, where are you? Oh no, I think Mom's looking for us. Yeah, I think so too. Come on, Nina, quick! We're here, Mom. Where were you guys? We just like went to Nick. You want to hear that? Okay. Just be careful. I think they're listening. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna like hang water. Don't you want to go over there and swim? No. Alright, so. Okay, go for her, whatever. Okay, move out of my way. No, you move out of the way. Yeah, you move out of the way, mister. Okay, no. Bye. Oh, look, a fish, yes. And for another bait. And you crash. Oh, I'm just feeling so lucky with this. You really want to take this far? You really want to take this far? Yeah, I'm so good at taking fish. Okay, I think it makes it a better. Kind of got that, don't you, honestly? Honestly? Yes. I think something because did you guys like also like see mom like go over there? Obviously. Yeah, that was really strange, you know. Mom. Oh, I'm gonna play with mom. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Look, there's a fun slide. I don't think you're supposed to go on that, you old. I don't think you're supposed to go on that, you old lady. Layla, what did you just call me? That's you, mommy. Okay, good. Whee! Whee! Look, I'm doing my flips. That ain't a flip. And ain't no flip. Yeah, listen. And I'm doing the flip. Dad, come here. I think Taylor would like to go. Oh my gosh! Dad, what did you do to Taylor? Taylor! Taylor! Oh wait, looks like he's having fun. Yeah, he looks like he's having so much fun. Wait for me! Dad, why did you do that? Yeah, why did you do that? Taylor! No! Oh, here. This is fun. So funny. Hey, why do you have to get my party? Okay, I'm just gonna. How are you liking the beach in Paris, guys? It's really cool. Yeah, it's really cool. The water here is just so clean. Come on, guys, I think. Can we go? I thought you could get out for me. Yeah, let's go. I want to look. There's a side over there. No, we don't ever need that. Here, I'll hold her. So, what did you think of the water, Ava? It was really nice. And it was amazing! Well, hello there. Like, would you like some ice cream? Wait, weren't you like the same lady that we met earlier? Why do you have a different accent? Well, the one that you saw like earlier was like my sister, my grandma's sister. Like, she's like the girl. Yeah, like she has a pet rat. So you're telling us that the rat we saw? Yes. Alright, that sound like. Would you like some ice cream or whatever? Yes, please. No. Sure. Yeah, me 4. Me 5. Yay. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Taylor. You can't have any. Ah. Ah. Sorry, Taylor. Blueberry. No. It's just like random, so like, I don't know. Don't you dare steal Ayla. Mint. I like mint. I love mint more. Okay. Mint again! No. And while I tear vanilla. Oh, dark blueberry. Strawberry! I found mommy. 10.99. Actually, no. 9.99, please. Actually, no. Yes. 3.99. Why did you change the price of like 10 times? Maybe that was not 10 times. That was only 2 times. Well, it felt like 10, but I don't have any cash on me. Then you have to get those ice cream cones back, lady. And yeah. You need to get those little like ice cream cones and ice cream bag. Yeah. Well, you stop talking. And that accent is so annoying. Well, yeah, it's like so professional. You are so unprofessional and unethical. That's it. We're not paying kids. Run! Wait, Taylor! My son squeak! Did we get away from that crazy lady? I think we did. Come on, let's just get away. No pay for this! Did anybody hear anything? No. No, but I just heard some like weird stuff. A lady screaming. That was weird. Yeah, it was. Yeah, that was kind of weird. Sorry guys, so guys, that's the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like the video, make sure to leave a comment if you love the video. Okay, bye. That was my life.